Do you want to lose weight? And do you want to lose weight fast? Are you bouncing all around the place? Need some help? Need some support? Oh, you're in the right place. I got my whole little playlist here with all the little tips and tricks, things that you work on. So make sure to start at the beginning and work your way all the way up to here. Make sure you're actually implementing everything that you actually learn. So very, very important. So because they progress along the way. So here we go. Today we are going to talk about not paying so much attention to the number on the scale. Okay? So the body weight fluctuates quite a bit. I'm going to be heavier the day after a really big workout simply because my body's going to hold fluids because it's repairing the tissue that I worked out the day before. So it's repairing, my muscles in my legs and the muscles in my upper body or what have you. So I'm going to be a little heavier the day after a workout simply because my body is using fluids to move the nutrition around, to repair things, so it's going to hang on to a little bit more fluids because I'll probably drink more water on that day that I work out too to make sure there's plenty of fluid. So pay more attention. I know it's harder to see and harder to notice, but pay more attention to how you look in the mirror. Okay? You can try to do some circumference measurements with a measuring tape and measure your arms and your legs and your waist and your tummy and your neck and all that kind of thing. And you can watch things change there too, if that helps, okay, because that can be very helpful too. But pay more attention and even try to picture what you want to look like in the mirror, as opposed to always getting on the scale. If you're going to weigh yourself on the scale, that's fine, but try to do it like every 2 weeks, so that way there's actually a change. And if you're struggling with your weight loss a little bit and it's going down really, really slow, well then just get on the scale once a month. So that way you see a positive change every single time. And just think in your head, hey, I'm going in the right direction. I'm going in the right direction. So, but don't get so hardcore on the fact that, every day, and it's like, oh, it went up like, quarter of a pound today or a half a pound or whatever. Your body can fluctuate quite a bit even in the course of one day. I've seen mine go up like 7 pounds in one day just simply from drinking a lot of water, eating a fair amount of food, working out and causing some inflammation, all sorts of different things. So be aware that the scale is not always the best tool. It is a tool that we can use, but it's not always the best tool to know if you're actually losing body fat. Okay, because muscle actually weighs quite a bit more than fat. All right? So give that a try. If you have questions, put things down in the comments below. If you have other comments, just put the comments down below too. Make sure to subscribe, follow the whole playlist, like I said before, check them all out so that you know all the tips and the tricks so that you can lose weight fast. And remember, you are the one that has the choice to make those choices so that you can lose weight and lose weight fast. See you on the next video.